Hello students, welcome to you Government Commerce College BCom Part 3rd EAFM Paper 1st Rural Development and Cooperative Chapter Constitutional Provision regarding Panchayati Raj 73 Constitutional Amendment. The democracy cannot function through the 20 people sitting in the center. It should be run from below and through the people of each village. M.K. Gandhi. The above statement of Mahatma Gandhi should the importance of democratic decentralization and Panchayati Raj. The formation of Panchayati Raj is the most important achievement of Indian democracy. Democratic decentralization and Panchayati Raj are synonyms to each other. Rajasthan has the honor of being the first state establishing Panchayati Raj in the country. The Rajasthan Legislative Assembly passed the Panchayat Samiti and Jila Parishad Act on 2 September 1959 for the first time in the country. Late Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru inaugurated Panchayati Raj system on 2 October 1959 at Nagaur district, Rajasthan. Later on, other state of the country also established Panchayati Raj institutions in their state of achieving democratic decentralization. The Gram Panchayat have been palpitation of our democracy from ancient time. The Panchayat were the custodian of community life in our village. All human activity were run under the supervision of these Panchayat. Usually there were 5 members of the Gram Panchayat. These members were the most intelligent person of various classes of the village. With the passage of time, this number 5 member of a Gram Panchayat has increased. The Panchayat have been backbone of our democratic institution. The whole social and economic activities of the village were run through the Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat located after the village and its requirement from Vedic area to the beginning of British rule in India. With the advent of industrialization, dispersal started in the community life of the villages. The Panchayat Raj institution got a severe blow due to excessive centralization during British rule. Mahatma Gandhi had professed and imagined the democratic decentralization will facilitate Panchayat Rajasthan in each village have full authority. It means every village will stand on its own legs. made its all went and will be a sufficient unit. The panchayat will be able to safeguard its interest. This is my imagination of Gram Raj and Panchayati Raj. The Panchayati Raj have been constituted to attain the dream of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru also emphasized the need of democratic decentralization. According to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, decentralization is the basis of any true democratic system and it must be. We have developed in habit to think from the top regarding democracy. We don't consider democracy from bottom unit, and unless we build democracy at the level lowest level, we will not be successful at the highest level of having a successful democratic decentralization. Article 40 of the Indian Constitution has emphasized the importance of democratic decentralization of Panchayati Raj. Its status, the state will take necessary steps to step Gram Panchayat by assessing, assessing power and right to work competent unit autonomous administration. These words are less but undoubtedly very meaningful. B.R. Mehta Committee was constituted in January 1957 with the objective of improving socio-economic constitution of rural Indias and to maintain the utility of local effect. The committee handed over its report to the Government of India on 24 November 1957. The committee had recommended to decentralization right and responsibility. The committee stated that the power should be enhanced over to such institute which will be responsible for the development worker under their jurisdiction. The task of the government will be to guide, prepare top level planning and provide finance wherever need be. The government accepted the recommendation of Mahatma Mehta Committee and these institutes were named as Panchayati Raj. The Rajasthan state was pioneer in the country to introduce Panchayati Raj system and democratic decentralization. The Panchayati Raj system was inserted on 2 October 1959 at Nagaur, Rajasthan by country first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Andhra Pradesh introduced Panchayati Raj in November 1959, where Maharashtra adopted in it from 1 May 1962. Later on, other states also did the same. The Panchayati Raj institution have established deep root of democratic decentralization in the country. These institutions play a significant role in district administration and the process of development. Panchayati Raj system is a three-tier system of autonomous administration at village, block, and district level. All Panchayat Raj institutions are closely connected with each other. Special representation is given in these institutions to weaker sanction movement and cooperative societies. Thanks.